What's up, guys? Kaylee here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be reacting to Smile HD. It's a little pony, but my friends told me it's scary. I don't get them because it looks like a freaking pony straight off the bat. But let's do it. Warning, blah blah blah. No one cares. Oh, it's a smile meme. Smile! My little pony. See? She's happy. Thank you, guys. Hi. Oh! 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 He's had ketchup! Oh! She got ketchup on her leg! Up, you're next! You're her next victim. Oh my god. Rainbow Dash is chilling in the air. She's like, what the heck? Pinkie Pie, stop punching her! You're making ketchup come out!
Days are dark and lonely, and maybe you feel sad, but Pinkie will be there to show you that
I'm gonna get demonetized now! Oh my god!
happy and makes my whole life worthwhile. And that's when I come to my friends and get them to smile.
Kilometer. Okay.
Smile. I really am so happy. Your smile fills me with glee. I see you smile, I get a smile, and that's so special to me.
Dragon Ball Z. Oh, she's crying. Ketchup! There's a lot of ketchup! Oh my god! Woo! There's ketchup in the air! Even though the child knows it because it probably has a nose piercing in it! Oh my god! Okay. This is the true state of fear. Oh my god. I'm gonna get demonetized. This is the style that you fear. I'm gonna have nightmares now. What the heck was this? It starts off from cute stuff, and then this other pony just gets slapped in the face or punched in the face, and then they just die. I'm gonna end the video.